Kepa Arrizabalaga was Chelsea's penalty shootout hero after coming off the bench to help win the Super Cup against Villareal. It comes just over 2 years after Kepa's debacle with former manager Maurizio Sarri, where the Spanish keeper refused to be replaced by Willy Caballero during a similar situation. Fortunately for the Spaniard, current teammate and Blues number 1 Edouard Mendy had no such problems being replaced just before the end of extra time. Kepa did not even touch the ball before the Super Cup final against Villareal went to penalties. But stats showed Kepa had saved 5 out of 22 penalties he had faced in his career up until that point, with Mendy stopping only 2 out of 26. And it proved a moment of genius for Blues boss Thomas Tuchel, with the sub-keeper saving 2 spot kicks during the shootout. Tuchel told BT Sport, "It was not spontaneous. We talked about it with the goalkeepers when we came and had our first cup game against Barnsley. We had some statistics that Kepa has the best percentage when it comes to saving penalties. The analyzing guys and goalkeeper coaches introduced me to the data, and then we spoke to the players and told them that this could happen when we play in knockout games." Tuchel added, "It's fantastic how Edouard Mendy accepts it. We needed to do what was good for the team. There is proof that Kepa is better at this discipline. These guys are true team players. I am happy for Kepa and happy for Edouard." All eyes were on the world's most expensive stopper heading into penalties, as Gerard Moreno slotted past him. But Kepa got off the mark as he stopped Villareal's second kick, denying Asa Mendy, Pervis Estupiñán, Moi Gomez, Dani Rabah, and Juan Foyth then all scored against Chelsea's number 2. But as it went to sudden death, Kepa got his moment of glory after saving from Villareal's skipper Raul Albiol. He was then mobbed by his ecstatic Chelsea teammates, with Mendy among those leading the celebrations. It may help Kepa put to bed the infamous incident during the 2019 League Cup final against Manchester City.